Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to install the Astra theme in WordPress and import an Astra starter template demo, updated for 2025 and beyond. If you want to create a professional, great-looking website in just a few clicks, Astra is still one of the fastest and most reliable ways to do it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of how to set up Astra and launch your site with a beautiful, ready-made demo. Let's dive straight in. First up, we'll install and activate the Astra theme. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the control center for your site, the place where all the magic happens. Once you're in, look on the left side menu and find Appearance, then click Themes. This is where you manage everything to do with how your site looks. At the top, you'll see an Add New button. Go ahead and click that. In the search bar, type Astra. You're looking for the theme developed by Brainstorm Force. It usually pops up right away because it's so popular. Once you found it, click. Wait just a moment while WordPress does its thing. When you see that Activate button, give it a click. Your site is now using Astra as its theme, meaning the foundation for your website's design is in place. Next, we need to enable the demo library by installing the Companion Importer plugin. This step is key because it unlocks access to hundreds of stunning starter templates you can use for your site. After activating Astra, keep an eye out for a notification bar at the top of your dashboard. It might say something like Get Started or Build Your Website Now. If you see it, just follow the on-screen instructions. Sometimes, though, that prompt doesn't appear. No worries, just head to the Plugins section on the left, click Add New, and in the search box type Starter Templates. It'll show up right away. Click Install Now, then hit Activate. This companion plugin is like a toolbox. It gives you everything you need to import full website demos quickly and easily. Now the fun part, importing your demo or starter template. Go back to your dashboard and find Appearance, then choose Starter Templates. You'll see a big, colorful library with more than 300 templates, covering all kinds of businesses and personal sites. But before jumping in, you'll be asked to select your preferred page builder. You might see options like Elementor Gutenberg, also known as Spectra or Beaver Builder. Pick the one you're already comfortable with, or Gutenberg if you're not sure, since it's built right into WordPress. Take some time to browse through the templates. The selection is huge. Some templates are marked premium, which means you'll need an Astra Pro license, but there are plenty of free options that look fantastic. Once you find one that catches your eye, click on it to preview and then hit Import. This is where Astra's setup wizard takes center stage. The wizard will guide you through customizing your site right away. Want to upload your logo? You can do it here or skip for now and come back later. Next, you'll choose your color palette and fonts. Think of these settings as your site's style guide. It sets the mood and branding right from the start. When everything looks good, click Submit and Build My Website. Sit tight for a minute. The plugin is fetching all the required images, creating pages, menus, and even installing any plugins that the template relies on, such as WP Forms for contact forms. Don't worry if it takes a few moments. It's assembling all the pieces so you don't have to. Here's a bonus pro tip. In 2026, Astra's starter templates actually include an AI website builder feature. If you want a truly custom layout, you can describe your business or site in plain text and let the AI generate a tailored design for you. It's worth trying if you want something a little more personalized or if none of the demos fit exactly what you're looking for. And that's it, your site is now up and running with a professional demo, ready for you to tweak and fill with your own content. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button, leave me a comment below if you have any questions or need more tips, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Good luck with your new Astra website.